Yeah, it doesn't actually smell that bad. Here we are, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. So today's video we are going to be testing these water-based spray paints. That one I'm actually going to keep for my collection because I really quite like it. So yeah, let's do a quick test. Always forget to do this. Usually I cut the cans open to have a look inside them, but yeah, is the ball magnetic? Don't know, I think it's plastic. Yeah, I think it's plastic. I will actually cut one open later on in this video because I'm going to dispense this whole can. Basically, the main aim, the main objective of this video is to see whether this paint actually smells, because people use this for painting indoors, also in other places you're not supposed to, that are enclosed, and the smell of the paint may give their game away. So yeah, we will give this a go. This is the MTN brand. Cost an absolute fortune. I think these three cost me, I think they're like £8 for the 400s and 6 something for the little 300. Well, that's pretty cool, isn't it? 300ml can. I think it's 300ml. It reminds me of the old Alien cans, not that I ever used them. I think they were MTN as well, weren't they? Maybe someone can drop that in the comments and tell me. But anyway, right, enough me rambling on. I'm going to pick some paint for what we're painting today, and then yeah, I'll get to the wall. So what have we got here? 91 colours in the range. I just checked for MTN Waterbased 400ml. 300ml, there are 45 shades apparently, and they even do a 100ml water-based, which has only got 18 colours. So yeah, that's what AI told me. So just about crack on with this. I can't find any skinny caps. Did I not bring them? Oh, they're right in front of me. There you go, twat. Yeah. Right, it's a bit of a clogged up cap, but we'll give it a go. I don't think the coverage is going to be very good. I have a feeling. Okay. So, what else do I want? Probably want that, don't I? With my sketch. I tell you what, just from spraying that little bit, I can smell it. It's really weird. It smells kind of like salty. Strange. It definitely does have a smell to it. Yeah, it definitely has a smell. The emulsion is still wet, so I'm going for some weird kind of more curvy outline today. Yeah, it doesn't actually smell that bad. Definitely if I was using conventional spray paint, it would smell a lot stronger by now. I didn't bring a hop up with me as well, which was a bit of a fail, really. Anyway, right, let's crack on. It's actually surprising how far that paint went. yeah, really haven't used much paint. Obviously it's only a sketch, but yeah, it actually covers really well, and the emulsion's wet, like I said. You can see there. Yeah, not bad. Valve's nice. I'd imagine a NyQuil fits on it. So yeah, actually, the only thing that goes against this is the price. That is the big problem. Big problem. Because yeah, like I said, I think this is about £6 something, which is far too much. To literally get a 400ml can of loop from West Kent Cans for like £3.75. So, fill time. What was I going to do? I don't know, I did, didn't I? Colour wise, I was going to. Ah, there you go, we've got a Riga loop. That's nice, but we're going to be using that in the middle. So far, smell-wise, it doesn't really smell. Smell a little bit at the beginning, but to be fair, it's even though I've sketched this up, it doesn't seem to smell. So yeah, maybe it is, as they say, doesn't actually smell. So yeah, I'm going to put this colour in the middle, which is, yeah, what did I say it was? It was the blue violet light with a Cobra yellow fat cap. Yeah, that covers well. Yeah, it does kind of smell salty. It's smelling a bit more now. A little bit drippy there, but it looks like it'll be quite good for fading as well. Can't see where I'm going. Yeah, quite impressed with that. See, it is a bit drippy, but it's not exactly the warmest time of year. I don't know what it is today. I think it's about 15 degrees centigrade, so not cold, but not warm. Yeah, all good. Works well with the fat cap. So that is it for the painting in this video. So here you go. This is a can that I've cut open. Like I said I would. The tube diameter is similar to pretty much every can I've cut open. I don't know whether there's some physics behind that or not, but they're generally around kind of a 3mm internal diameter there. And the wall thickness is generally around 1 mil. So yeah, that's kind of standard and normal. This is interesting. The mixing balls within this can are made out of glass or plastic. Seems like glass to me. So yeah, around 10mm diameter. I thought they probably would have been metal, just so they were magnetic, so if you were painting somewhere you maybe shouldn't be, then yeah, you could actually use a magnet. But anyway, the paint, surprisingly, didn't really smell that much to me, but weirdly, I painted a canvas with the remains of this can and put it in the garage next door, and yeah, it kind of smells. It's weird. It's like, I don't know, it's strange. It's nowhere near as bad as regular spray paint and doesn't seem to linger. Well, kind of a little bit, but anyway, it's all good. Like, it's fine. If you're painting someone's house for a commission, this stuff is really good. The only thing against it is obviously the price. But, you know, obviously if you build the price of the cans and the paint into your commission, then there shouldn't be a problem. I've got a little list here which I'm going through, which I've done the first one. Colour range we spoke of earlier, kind of varies between the 400ml, 300ml and the 100ml. Never seen a 100ml can, but apparently AI thinks there is. Valve is good. Coverage is actually really good. Consumption, actually very good as well. Finish, what's it supposed to be? Matte finish, thought it was. So there you go, matte finish. And price, kind of went over that a little bit earlier, and it is pretty dear, but if you paint a commission and you build the price into your commission, then all good. And you know, if you're painting something you shouldn't be, then you probably wouldn't mind paying money to not get caught if it is a bit of a bait spot. But anyway, enough of me going on. Please go to my channel and subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment. Tell me about this paint if you used it before, or let me know if there's another water-based brand you would like me to test, or another general brand of spray paint you want me to test. Or let me know, I don't know, anything. Tell me about your painting recently. So anyway, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.